Now, right now, looking here at the pivot points, we got a pivot point up there at the 4,096. And then after that, 4,132. The SPY once again gapping up today. The whole market rallying to the moon once again. So we are getting ready for the GDP numbers to come out and looking for a big move here in the market to try to make some money here. So hopefully we get some volatility and we can make some money. Right now, like I said, the overall trend is pointing higher. We have some major gaps to the downside. Will we fill the gaps to the downside? Will we go to the moon? Here we go. Right now, looking at the 1,000 tick chart here, and we'll see if we can make some money when these numbers come out. Basically, I'm looking for just volatility here and looking to see if we start to push up right now. The numbers should be out. Watching it here. We push over 80 strong. I'm looking to get long over 80. That possible move up here. Right now, pulling back here, 75s. 75 pullback here. Right there at that pivot point at the 77. So I'm going to jump in long right here with my stop right below 75. I think we're going to squeeze up towards that 80 area off of this pivot. So basically risking off the 71s with a long right here off the 77s. And we'll see if we can't move up there above this 80 area now. I can't believe we didn't get a bigger move here. Kind of uneventful, to be honest. Uneventful right now. What is happening? Market basically, I think, priced all that in already, to be honest. At 2.6, expectation was 2.7. So it is a little bearish, actually. A little lower than expected. So we should get this push above the 80s next. Right now, along here from the 77s. So I'm going to move my stop basically at 75s now. So we're only risking $500 here for a possible $2,000 move above this 83 level if we can keep squeezing up there. Right now on the book map, we got all that liquidity sitting there at the 85s. I'm honestly like amazed right now. I don't know how we didn't get any volatility there. I thought we would at least, like I said, I'm kind of amazed right now. How did this not move? So at this point, I'm moving my stop up there at the 76s. Kind of just start following this up. We want to see this break below, break above 80 here. Hopefully sooner than later on this move up and to get above this 80 level. We move up to the 80s and then I'll move my stop to the 78s there, right above, right below the low of that candle as we start to push up here, and then try to just keep following this up with my stop. And yeah, just uneventful right now, to be honest. All right, they're finally doing something. Now we're pushing finally. All right, I'm going to move my stop up. Like I said, just kind of try to follow this, get this break over the 86s, 83s here, and then get that push up there to the 86s now. So trying to get this push above 85, the high from the overnight here. I'm honestly mind blown how this has not done anything. So we can't lose, but I'm honestly amazed right now that this hasn't done anything. I mean, at this point, I don't know what to do here. I just don't understand how this is not moving more. But I guess maybe, hey, maybe the market already priced in this move. I don't know. Wow. I'm like literally in disbelief right now. This is terrible. I can't catch a break these days. I swear. It's just like the market never wants to go when I want it to go. It's just, it went up all night long. We go up, what, 40 points overnight. And then when the numbers come out, we don't move. So just waiting here. I'm going to move my stop up now to 81.75 to guarantee we lock in at least $1,000 here, and then see if we can't get that push up there towards the 88s here. They're still kind of adding liquidity here, so it's not looking the best, I would say, for this to go through. We don't break through like on this candle or the next candle. I'm gonna probably just take profit here for 1,500, or have to get stopped out there at 81s. See, we got about 200 more transactions on this candle here. See where it closes at. If this candle doesn't close at the top of this bar, right, and up in here on the 84, 85 level, then I'll just get out right here. You know what's going to happen. The minute that I get out is when it's going to finally go. So let's see. We've got about 100 more transactions. And just not being able to push through there. So we might get stopped out, actually. Let's see. It needs to go right here for about 40 transactions left here. Not getting through there right now. 15, 14. One more attempt here. Let's give it a second right here and let's go. Can't get through there. Wow. Amazing, actually. It might go at some point, but I'm just going to lock it down right there for $1,500 on that. So how did that not go through there? Maybe it'll go through now, but we'll wait for the market to open up. But $1,500 here, since it's now 44, so about 15 minutes here of trying to get this move. We just didn't. Oh, now it's going to go. Watch. What did I just say? I literally just said that. Fuck me. I literally just said that the minute that I sell, it's going to go. And that's exactly what it did. So now up there to the 85s. Classic. Just absolutely classic here. And yeah, just kind of stuck right. Look at this. Now it's going. 86 is going to push. Are you kidding me? How did that, like, you just gotta laugh. That's all you could do. Like, that's all you could do at this point. Just laugh. Absolutely. So now it's pushing 80. Are you kidding me? I just gotta laugh at myself, honestly, at this point. It's fine. It is what it is. Well, I'm gonna just walk away and come back here, do a live stream in a little bit, but what a joke. What a joke. There it is, showing you guys GDP numbers. They came out there at 8:30. Very uneventful. We had the jobless claims. Not much of a mover. I mean, we had what? Not even 10 points on that move. So we still locked it in. I made money. Obviously, we would have wanted to make more. And it's the way it is sometimes. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below, I will talk to you guys later on.